The 21st century has seen the manufacturing world scaling unprecedented heights. With path-breaking innovations, cutting-edge technologies and flawless products, everything that you can possibly imagine is now happening every day. There is one company in particular that has not only seen this change through, but has also played a very active and vital role to create products that exceed all customer expectations. Welcome to the journey of AVTEC. A force to reckon with, AVTEC is a part of the globally respected and diversified Indian conglomerate, CK Birla Group, that operates in 3 industry clusters. As India's largest independent manufacturer of powertrain and precision engineered products, AVTEC has always believed in its guiding principles of practice, customize and innovate, because at AVTEC, doing things perfectly is the only way to get things done. With innovation at its helm and precision in its vision, AVTEC has come a long way since its inception. We put our best foot forward in both domestic and international markets to deliver competency across the entire value chain. When it comes to design and manufacturing of powertrain aggregates or high-precision components for automotive, off-highway, agriculture, railway and defense applications, AVTEC is at the top of its game. AVTEC's manufacturing units are strategically located at Pithampur, Hosur and Chennai in India, and a top-of-the-line design, prototype and batch production facility, ASAGE in Switzerland, cater to its Indian and global client base. These modern plants are busy round the clock in the production of proprietary products and contract manufacturing of powertrain aggregates like petrol and diesel engines and transmissions for some of the highly renowned global OEMs, covering a wide range of product categories like passenger cars, SUVs, and light and medium commercial vehicles. These plants are equipped with automatic assembly lines, adhering to stringent quality control measures at each stage of assembly. End-of-line testing and validation ensures highest quality products and highly efficient turnaround. AVTEC is the only Indian player with the extensive capability to design and manufacture automatic and power shift, heavy-duty cycling and hauling transmission aggregates in the 50 HP to 1000 plus HP range. Our existing customers in this segment consist of some of the leading domestic and global off-highway OEMs, covering a wide range of applications including loaders, dump trucks, forklifts, railway OHE cars, cranes and select defense applications. All our plants follow a cellular manufacturing approach which supports a broad product mix and a faster response. With years of expertise in powertrain aggregates, AVTEC is now setting benchmarks in the manufacturing of high-precision engines and transmission components. We offer complete build-to-print solution for a wide array of critical components, specializing in gears and shafts and large housings. AVTEC's manufacturing plants are equipped with world-class machines like Liebherr, Gleason, Hyundai, Moriseki, Hofler and Reschauer gear grinding, with the provision of tracking system and traceability mechanism, empowering it to deliver the best-in-class quality and cost performance for volume production requirements. AVTEC handles all the critical processes in-house like shaping, rolling, shaving and hubbing, heat treatment processes like nitriding and induction hardening, providing complete control of the manufacturing process, resulting in highest quality of production. ASAGE Switzerland, a 100% subsidiary of AVTEC, is the world market leader in crown gear technology and a leading enterprise for drive systems, offering phase gear technology with innovative gear solutions, including precision wave drive systems for automotive, industrial, medtech, machine tools and robotics, with a focus on niche and specialist applications. AVTEC has also started producing components with the phase gear technology at its plant in Hosur, India, enabling it to provide an extremely viable solution for its European customers. This has enabled AVTEC to make inroads into the burgeoning European markets and serve its customers as a one-stop solution for their complete powertrain requirements. AVTEC was founded on the principles of consistent innovation and upgradation of technology, continuing its search for perfection. AVTEC has built a tech center at Hosur for designing new and better products for diverse applications. Our research and development facilities are ever engaged in product designing and simulation with the latest software like UG, ProE, Kissoft, AVL Boost and Nastran, with in-house testing facilities including emission test beds. The Tech Center has also developed some specialized products such as electronic control units and gearboxes for metro rail and defense applications. To ensure quality control at every step, AVTEC has developed process-driven quality controls at each stage of its manufacturing processes and assemblies. All its manufacturing facilities are TS 16949 certified for quality and ISO 14001 certified for environment management systems. AVTEC also boasts of product validation facilities and NABL accredited laboratories that helps in calibration and ensuring highest quality products for its customers. Winning the trust of leading global and domestic OEMs is the testimony to AVTEC's commitment towards quality, cost optimization and delivery, ensuring complete customer satisfaction. For its high-performing product lineage and successful track record, AVTEC has been bestowed with many awards. The company has also received the TPM Excellence Award from JIPM Japan for all its manufacturing facilities. All this recognition stems from the fact that AVTEC has a great team in place, which it believes in nurturing through various workshops and personnel development programs. At AVTEC, what inspires and gives us strength of serving our customers through innovative products and services, so we can make their experiences better. We value our customers the most and leave no stone unturned to brighten their lives with the promise of satisfaction. Their trust in our abilities inspires us to perform with utmost perfection and precision. Our customers are the core of our business and we deliver what we always promise. Precision, perfection and performance every single time.